Letter A. What is AutoCAD and why is it important in mechanical engineering? AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software that helps mechanical engineers create accurate drawings, improve design efficiency, precision, and communication.
B. How does AutoCAD help engineers create accurate drawings compared to manual drafting? AutoCAD software enhances precision in engineering by providing accurate measurements and alignment, significantly eliminating manual errors compared to manual drafting methods.
C. What are some common AutoCAD tools you have learned and what are the basic functions? D. The common tool I the common tools I learned in AutoCAD is the L, C, and E. The L line, circle, and arc. The line is a line segment in AutoCAD, and circle is creating a circle. Arc is creating arc.
Letter D. Why is understanding layers important when creating drawing in AutoCAD? Understanding layers in AutoCAD is important because they help organize drawings and control the visibility and properties of figure. This makes editing, printing more efficient and accurate.
Letter E. What is the difference between 2D drafting and 3D modeling in AutoCAD? 2D drafting in AutoCAD creates flat drawing using length and width only, such as floor plans, while the 3D modeling at depth or height, allowing you to create realistic objects that can be viewed from different angles.
Letter F. How can AutoCAD improve teamwork and communication in engineering projects? AutoCAD improves teamwork and communication by allowing engineers to share clear, accurate, and easily editable designs that everyone can understand.
Letter G. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using AutoCAD in engineering design? AutoCAD offers precision and efficiency but requires costly high-end hardware. Furthermore, its reliance on automation can lessen the fundamental skills and tactile essence of the traditional drafting.
Age. In what real-life mechanical engineering applications can can I be used? AutoCAD can use in machine design to design a machine that can improve the target object like car, engine, and more.
Letter I. How does proper dimensioning affect the quality of an AutoCAD drawing? Proper dimensioning helps illustrate the figure clearly so every part is understandable, making construction and manufacturing easier and more accurate.
And for the last letter, letter J, why is it important for engineering students to learn AutoCAD even without access to advanced computers? It is important for engineering students because it teaches basic drawings and design skill used in real jobs, even on simple computers. Student can practice 2D drawing, understand plans, and learn how to communicate ideas clearly.